welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I am participating in a challenge hosted by Maria from the Artsy Cupcake, and her co-host for this challenge is Lisa from Lisa Birmingham. I will have both of their channels linked down below, as well as the playlist for this challenge, so make sure you check out. The purpose of this challenge is to share a cupcake, a recipe, or a decoration, or a display that you had DIY'd for your cupcakes, or both. So I have chosen to share a recipe. So I will be sharing a lemon cream cupcake, bunny cupcakes. So without further ado, let's get started. For the cupcakes, I am using Betty Crocker French vanilla super moist cake mix, and then I'm adding some egg whites, quarter cup of oil, zest of 3 lemons, quarter cup of lemon juice. No, this is vanilla, sorry. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, quarter cup of lemon juice, 3/4 of a cup of sour cream. I am using Greek yogurt, and then 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk. So the first thing that I am going to be doing is preparing my cake mix, and I will be sifting my cake mix into this bowl. And I'm already preheating my oven to 350. Okay, so that's done. And now in this one, I am going to mix the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to separate my eggs. This little tool is from Pampered Chef. I'm going to save these for to add to an omelet or something like that. So now I'm going to gently whisk them. Then I'm going to add my oil, which is, I'm using coconut oil. You don't have to, you can use any oil. I'm going to add my buttermilk as well. Lemon juice. The yogurt or sour cream, my vanilla, and the lemon zest. Now I'm going to combine my wet and dry and mix it well. I have my Pampered Chef cupcake stone, and I had picked up these baking cup liners from Dollarama. They have a little bunny design on them, and I'm going to line my stone with them. And I'm using my Pampered Chef scooper. I think this is a large, but I'm not 100% sure what size it is. Anything that I'm using, I will have it linked down below, either similar items that I found on Amazon or right from the website that I had gotten them from. But this is a perfect scoop for the cupcake. Okay, and now I'm going to put this in the oven and bake it 15 to 20 minutes until a toothpick, or if you have a little tool like I do, like this little tool, which also came from Pampered Chef, comes out clean. So for the buttercream, the cream cheese frosting, you will need 1/2 cup of butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, and 8 ounces of cream cheese. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to cream my butter and my cream cheese together for about 2 minutes. going to scrape the sides, and I'm going to continue to mix and add the sugar and the vanilla. So I think that's good. So you just mix it until a desired consistency, and this is pretty good for decorating the cupcakes. And I'm going to now wait for the cupcakes to finish baking. The cupcakes are done. I'm just waiting for them to completely cool off before I ice them. So I am ready to ice the cupcakes. So I will be using my cream cheese icing. Then I will be dipping them in coconut. This is just shredded coconut. It's unsweetened because it's what I had. Would probably prefer sweetened. And then some sugar, colored sugar. I'm using a nice color of purple. I have cut up little squares of my chocolate, dark chocolate. This is what I'm using. The dark chocolate chunks. If you had mini chocolate chips, that would work probably the best. And then I'm using mini marshmallows as well as large marshmallows, and you need some kitchen shears. So the cupcakes have cooled enough, and I am just going to add some icing. This doesn't have to be perfect because I will be dipping them in like that. And now I'm going to add a little bit of chocolate, just the two, and then I'm going to cut my marshmallow across, dip there, so there. And then I'm going to take a mini marshmallow, cut it in half, and you want to dip the half that you cut, the side that's cut, and there. Now I'm going to continue with all of them. So here they are, all done. I think they turned out so cute, and I can't wait to taste them. So I'd like to thank Lisa and Maria for hosting this challenge. Make sure to check out the playlist as well as their channels. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love for you to press that subscribe button. Stick around. I do baking and cooking videos once a week, and I love participating in challenges like this. So there's lots of cooking and baking inspiration on my channel for you. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any of these uploads. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.